guys, it is Monday evening after work. Been sitting staring at a computer all day, and I figured we'd come out here and do a little evening creek fishing. All right guys, so we've got a little shallow water creek. It's pretty clear water. I normally do pretty well catching smallmouth, bluegill, and things like that here. What we're gonna start out with today is just a small 1/8 ounce Rooster Tail, white. Gonna throw that around real quick and see if we can't get some action. All right guys, so we have switched away from the Rooster Tail and now we are just using a little white jig. I'm switching this because I've used it out here before and I've had good experience with it. Just casting up against that bank, guys, and then just slowly working it back. A little jig here and there. That doesn't seem to be what they're wanting though. No takers. Oh, look at crawdads. Let's see if we can catch some bait. I saw a bunch of crawdads come in here. All right, let me get my hook changed. We will try him out as bait. Okay guys, we got a crawdad hooked through the tail. Let's try to catch some. There we go. Fish on, here we go. Big smallmouth, yeah. Oh, he's fighter. Just pull and drag. Come on in, boy. Come on. Come on. Up on the shore, yeah. Look at him. Look at that. All right, look at that, right in the lip. Look at that. Hooked right in the lip. Well, folks, it's been a hard day of fishing. But that makes it worth it. Caught him on a crawdad. He gets a free dinner out of it. A little bit of a bloody lip. And there he goes. All right, we got the big S off our chest, so maybe we can catch a few more. All right, little guy, it's your turn. Just like that, guys. Bring it to you because that's very shallow over there. Drag it towards you. Drag it, drag it, drag it. Stop. Yeah. What do you got? Pull him in. Look at that. Let's see what you got. That's a little sunfish. Bring him down a little bit. Show him that camera. There you go. So that is called a pumpkin seed. So you're doing it. You got it. Nice. Let that hook go. Beautiful. There you go. All right, guys. We're just casting this little crawdad out there. I've got 2 split shot on there. Just small little weights. Just enough to help them sink down to the bottom quickly. Oh, got one. There we go. Get away from that log. Get away from that log. He's going for that log. All right, over here. Look at that. Another one. Oh, he just jumped on the shore for me. Look at that. Little creek smallie. He's heavy. He's so heavy. Nice fish. Let's let him go. Oh, he's gone. All right, there's two. Got a bite. Got him. I believe that's a little rock bass. I can see his little, he's not fighting very hard. Look at him. There we go. Look at that. Pretty little rock bass. There he goes. Got him. Another smallmouth. Oh, he's a big one. Look at him run. Come back, come back. Oh, he jumped for us. Oh, there he is. Unfortunately, he swallowed the hook. He's a pretty fish, guys. He's a little too small to keep, but unfortunately, he swallowed the hook. Hopefully he makes it. You got a fish? There you go. Look at that. Nice little rock bass. Perfect. Now you can just toss him back in the water, buddy. These are big worms. That's a half. Yeah. He's mad at me. There we go. What is that? Oh, look at that. Look at him jump. Wow. Feisty, smallmouth. Look at that.
I caught something too.
Did you?
Weeds.
He's biting me. There's another smallmouth for you. Pretty. All right. Don't tell your friends about me. Yeah, we're gonna keep walking now. So guys, I just caught a tiny little crawfish. We just hook him through the tail there. A little split shot weight. We're gonna send him out there and see what he does. Didn't really get him out there as far as I wanted. There we go. I didn't even know I had one on there. He was trying to be gentle. Look at this little guy. I almost didn't know you were taking my bait, man. My younger brother-in-law, he's about 14. He was just fishing the same hole with the same bait. And he told me, I give up on this spot. There's no fish in here. And he sees me catching this fish now, and he's off in the distance going, what? Look at that little guy. Even when they're small, they're so pretty. Oh, he's gone. Almost. Nice and easy. The barb is sticking out this way, right? So you want to push it against him, and then it'll slide out. Look at that. That's a pretty fish. Look at that fat belly. All right, go ahead and toss him back in. Good job. Beautiful.
Was yours like that size?
Yeah, just about. Got one. No, look at that. A nice smallmouth. He's 13 inches. All right, guys, you think he's ready to go? Let's find out. There he goes. Good catch.
No.
What do you got there?
Fish.
Catfish.
He was talking.
It's a nice one too. There he goes. He's gone. All right, guys, so we've got this crawfish and a couple of split shots. We're just gonna try to throw them up against that tree. Let them crawl around down there. Tip up. Walk back to land. That looks like a good one. Keep coming. Nice and slow. Nice. Leave him in the water. Don't pull him out of the water yet. Leave him in the water. Come on. Walk towards land. Tip your pole up. All right, let's help him out real quick. Look, that's a drum. Nice, a big one.
Are those eat? Are those, can we eat those?
I don't know. He's pretty.
Let's take them up here.
Pick him up so I can see him. It's a nice fish. Very nice.
He's freaking huge.
You got it right through his lip. That's perfect. Beautiful.
You able to hold him like this?
Not really. You can hold him just like that. Pretty good.
Release him?
Yeah, let's go ahead and release him. And away he goes.
That's my first fish like that.
That's a cool fish, man. Nice job.
Time to get back on board.
Just toss out in this little hole right here. Oh, got one. Nice. I got a nice one. Oh, man. Oh, look at him. Go. Big old smallie. Oh, oh no. Oh, goodness. Let me set my pole down. Come here, you big old piggy. Don't hook me with my own hook. There we go. Look at that, guys. Beautiful river smallie. Nice. Beautiful fish. Let's let her go. There he goes. He's gone. Got one. Yep. Wow. Nice one too. Oh, he's pulling drag. Look at him. Oh, something's chasing him too. Look at, something's chasing him. What is chasing this fish? Catfish, look at that. I don't feel like skinning the catfish, so we're gonna let him go. All right, guys, chill out. There you go. Got one. Another smallmouth. Look at that. Just making it look easy. Look at that little guy. Right through the top of the lip. Look at that. Little creek smallie. Evening fishing. Can't beat it. Let's throw him back in. He wants to go. Gone. Well, we started out slow. It started out seeming like it was going to be a rough evening for fishing, and slowly but surely the bite picked up. All right, guys. Well, we're out of bait, which means the trip's about over. We're out of bait and out of sunlight, as you can see. So we're going to start hiking back to the truck, and we're going to call it a night. Monday evening creek fishing. Can't beat it.